Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. And if you are new here, my name is Emily and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the new Adore collection from Ogerbeads. This collection was launched in February for Valentine's Day, but I'm just getting a chance and an opportunity to properly share it and review it with all of you guys. So if you would like to see this collection and have kind of a detailed look up close at it, make sure, one memento here, to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm enjoying some raspberry matcha from David's Tea. And let's get started with the video. Virtual cheers. The new Adore collection from Ogerbeads is so beautiful. I'm wearing it right here on my wrist on their new bracelet. So this is an updated version of their Twisted bracelet, which is so beautiful. I really love how delicate and dainty it looks on. And this has since been updated, as I mentioned, meaning that the clasp is actually more secure. That's what Ogerbeads wanted to do on it, which is why it was kind of discontinued for a little bit. It's so cute too because you have the little logo of the ogre on it. So this is so beautiful. So I'm going to be sharing a review of this with you guys. So I'll insert that here. The Ogerbeads Twisted Bracelet 2.0, as mentioned, it has an improved lock system. The bracelet is available in 9 different sizes, and the length also includes the clasp. So you get everything from a 16 centimeter up to a 25 centimeter. Now, I absolutely love the Twisted bracelet. I think the chain detail is just so beautiful, and the clasp is very secure, you guys. I wanted to test that out immediately because my old Ogerbeads bracelet, it opened a little bit too easily, and I was really excited to try this out and test it out. So it is very similar like lock system. The clasp is basically the same other than the improvements made to it. So you just insert it in the closure, you snap it closed, and I wanted to shake this up because before if I shook my bracelet, it would open, and this did not at all. I was like so impressed. I've worn it out and about. It hasn't fallen off, and I'm so happy because this style of bracelet is just so beautiful. It holds the charms and the beads very well, and I love how like you can kind of see the little chain detail through it. So this is a bracelet I wouldn't want to completely fully cover either because I think that chain detail is just so beautiful. And then moving along into the Adore collection, we have 3 Murano glass beads as well as 1 sterling silver bead. So I'm going to insert my review and footage here now for you guys. So here's a quick overview of the 4 new beads from Ogerbeads February collection, the Adore collection. The first bead I'm going to share with you is called To the One. It is a sterling silver bead, and this is what Ogerbeads has to say. Never take what you have for granted, and new things will be granted. This bead is $37 euros, and I love the open work design. It also has a lovely weight. They have a lovely amount of quality sterling silver in there, and it's just so beautiful. I also love like how love is reversed on the other side. I thought that was so clever, and it's just such a lovely statement bead. I think it would be a great centerpiece bead as well. Moving along, I'm going to share with you the 3 new Murano glass beads from the Adore collection. They're so beautiful and they really do complement each other beautifully. I really love the colors of like you got the blues and the purples and little hints of pink and gold. So beautiful. The one you're seeing on the screen right now is called Prelude, and oh my goodness, this one is my favorite. I find it very magical looking, kind of majestic. I really love the raised dots on it and just all the circular details to it. The colors are really beautiful too. You have like a pale pink with a little bit of like that denim blue, some purple. I kind of think it has like kind of raspberry tones to it, and I don't know why, it's just so beautiful. I love like the side details, like it's just so beautiful, very majestic. And this one's my top favorite. Like if I had to pick one out of the 3, I just find it so unique and special. So this is the one I'm showcasing first just because I love it. It also looks really beautiful on the bracelet too, kind of with the circular detail and the chain. I think it's so pretty. The next Murano glass bead you're seeing is called Oriental Blush. It is really cool. It also has a bunch of raised dots on it, some really cool textured details. It does complement Prelude really lovely. I also think this would work really well as a centerpiece bead just because of the raised dots. It really just stands out. I actually used it as a centerpiece on a bracelet design you're going to be seeing a little bit later in this video. This bead, similar to Prelude, has some beautiful kind of raspberry, pinky, purple colors to it. You have that little touch of blue and gold accents, and I really love the dotted detail. It's kind of fun to play with the texture on it. It's very unique, very different. I would love to know what you guys think of this bead, so please let me know down below. And in case you're wondering, all the Murano glass beads in the Adore collection retail for $27 euros. The beads in the Adore collection are also included in the 5+ deal from Ogerbeads, so when you order 5 beads, you receive the 6th bead for free. The last Murano glass bead I have to share with you from the Adore collection is called Boysenberry. It is so romantic, so feminine and beautiful. Like the other beads, it does have that raspberry kind of purple base. You have little touches of blue. And on this as well, you have this beautiful kind of creamy ivory color with little speckles, kind of little sparkles on it. It's just so magical and beautiful. And I can just kind of pretend like these petals are just kind of floating in the wind. It's just so beautiful. This is my second favorite from this collection. I just think it's so pretty. I would love to order a second one of this because I think it would frame the other beads so beautifully. The side details on it are really pretty too, and it's just so magical, very feminine. Now I'm going to share with you the bracelet design I came up with featuring the pieces from the new Adore collection, as well as how I like to stack this bracelet. I have another bracelet that I just think looks so beautiful when it's paired together. I think they just stack so beautifully and the colors really complement each other. So here's a quick look at the bracelet. It's a rose quartz bracelet, so all genuine rose quartz. And it's just beaded, it's very simple, but I just think the colors just complement each other so well. Here's kind of a quick little look at the bracelet. It is by a brand called ORKASTRA on Instagram, and now you can kind of see the two bracelets paired together, and I just love how they look, just so pretty. Also on my Ogerbeads bracelet, I added the fortune bead. This is from the winter 2020 collection. I do have a YouTube video up on that whole collection, which I'll link here if you want to check it out. I love this bead because you have the horseshoe, the 4-leaf clover. It's a very lucky charm, and on it, it says good luck, and it's just so pretty. And I also thought it complemented to the one bead really nicely. And then, so I have that paired actually to the side close to Boysenberry. And then also on the bracelet, you'll see all the other beads. I did use the Oriental blush bead as a centerpiece bead. And also on here, I have a stopper. This is the fairy tale stopper. I would love to get a second one of these. I just find it so beautiful. It definitely is a fairy tale with the beautiful little flowers kind of growing everywhere. It just looks so pretty. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing this Ogerbeads review video of the Adore collection. I personally love this collection. I think it is so feminine and girly, and I just love the colors. Like, they are beautiful for Valentine's Day and kind of the more wintry vibe when it came out, but now it's currently spring when I'm filming this, and I'm just loving the pinks and purples. I think they work so beautifully for spring too. And with spring summer here, I'm sure Ogerbeads will be releasing a spring summer collection, which I cannot wait to see. I'm wondering what they're going to do. I really love that they always kind of have a more naturey element to their pieces, so I'm really excited to see what they have planned. So if you guys have any ideas what they might do, let me know down below. Anyway, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys.